Kia is committed to integration, and today we'll focus on the new standard audio system and head unit. We will examine key features and functions, and also demonstrate how this audio system has been designed to work with Siri voice activation. Let's get started. You'll notice the usual hard keys surrounding the head unit. Let's go over how to pair a smartphone and set it as the priority phone. First, make sure the device is on and Bluetooth has been activated on the smartphone. Then, press the phone key on the head unit, and the system will display this screen and give you pairing instructions and display a passkey. You'll see Kia Motors or the vehicle name on your phone's list. Select it and click Pair. The system will then ask if you want to set this as the priority phone for auto connection. Select Yes or No. Your phone is now paired. It will automatically connect and is set as a priority phone. You'll know the pairing was successful when your phone name appears on the system phone screen. The contacts will start downloading automatically, and Bluetooth wireless technology hands-free functions will now operate. To manage connected phones, press the Settings button on the phone screen, then the Connection button on the phone settings screen. A list of paired phones will appear. Pairing a smartphone is fairly simple, and remember you can pair up to 5 separate phones or devices. With your device connected, nearly all buttons and displays will be active, including your phone's charge status, signal strength, Bluetooth wireless technology connection state, the name of the connected phone, phone number input window, the dial pad, delete button, and/or erase button, settings, as well as the call history, contacts, and favorites. When receiving an incoming call, note that the Accept and Reject buttons replace the Send and End buttons. And when you're already on a call, additional information appears like the name and number of the caller, the call time, a Use Private button that will transfer a hands-free call to the device when pressed, End call, contacts, and keypad buttons, as well as outgoing volume settings, and a mute button, which will allow you to mute the call. Finally, if another call comes in while you're already on the line, you'll also be able to switch between callers or end calls with all callers. The radio key allows you to switch to FM, AM, and Sirius XM. If you have an external audio device connected, the media key will let you cycle through these options. Once you've settled on an audio input, press the Seek or Track keys to move forward or backward through the radio stations or tracks. The Setup key is where you can perform a lot of miscellaneous type functions, like sound settings, changing the home screen icons, the language between English, French, and Spanish, and more. The Display key allows you to turn the display on or off, and it also lets you choose between daylight and night modes. Daylight mode keeps the screen brighter for better readability, while night mode darkens the screen for better contrast at night. The Automatic mode will switch between daylight and night, depending on the ambient light conditions. You can also adjust the display brightness by moving the directional arrows. The Clock button is fairly straightforward, as you might expect. To adjust the time, just press the up or down arrows. You can switch between 12 and 24-hour formats, and you can also account for daylight savings time. With an iPhone, you will also be able to activate Siri voice recognition functions. It's important to note that the new standard Kia head unit has been designed to work with the Siri voice recognition system featured on the Apple iPhone. With your iPhone paired, we're ready to use the Siri voice recognition features, which are integrated through the standard head unit. To initiate a voice command, press the Voice button. Call Lisa Smith.
Calling Lisa Smith.
You can make phone calls, send text messages, and do it all without taking your hands off the wheel or your eyes off the road. If you press the Voice button and happen to see this screen, this means Siri is not activated, and you need to activate Siri on your iPhone. You can do this by going to Settings, then Siri, and turn on. This is Siri voice recognition, made easy with your Kia, and it's fully integrated with the standard head unit. That concludes this Kia feature program covering the new standard audio system. As a reminder, if you have an Android phone, voice activation is not available. However, as mentioned previously, you can still use all the available features when your Android phone is connected to the system via Bluetooth. For more information, always check your Kia Owner's Manual or Features and Functions Guide that came with your new Kia. Thanks for watching.